Today, let's learn English together at the biggest international festival here in Moscow. Okay, so I arrived to the place where the festival is happening. It's right there. I'm gonna walk there now. But look at this place. This is the subway. I walked out of the subway. And first of all, there is a huge rocket over there on the top. There is a rocket to explore cosmos, maybe, and a TV tower, by the way, the tallest TV tower in our city. Yeah. And here, right now, I'm going to visit an international festival. We're going to be at the festival today, and this festival represents many countries from all over the world. I guess around 20 countries, as well as just Russian regions, so it's dedicated to travel and stuff. We're gonna maybe meet many foreigners today and learn about other cultures. I hope so. Maybe try some food, listen to music. This is the main entrance into the square, into the festival. Parking lot for scooters. Look, an observation wheel. Huge wheel, apparently the biggest in our city. Wow, look at that. And by the way, that festival is going to be so big, it covers such a huge area that I even have a map on my phone with this festival, because there are so many areas, and each area dedicated to a certain country or a certain region. So yeah, my first mission is to find foreigner area, about traveling abroad. I heard there are areas dedicated to China, to Latin America. Whoa! That's the main entrance. Oh my gosh! Wow! Yeah, that's the map that I was talking about. That's what I was talking about. A map. This kind of bike. Festival. Look, there are so many activities around that I don't want to miss anything. So I will not be in a hurry. By the way, today is the last day of this festival. It's been going on for 4 days already. That's the 4th day. So we still got a couple of hours left, and I will not be in a hurry. I want to take a look at everything and try a lot of stuff. Look at that. I'm sure there are going to be a lot of tourists, not only locals, but many people. What is that? Like a goat? That's a goat. Hey, that's great. And there is a big screen. Look at that screen. It shows nature over that region. Forests, rivers, national clothes within, by the way. National clothes. If you want, you can just take a look at this. You can even buy this kind of national, traditional hat, a cap. And right here, by the way, behind these stands, these are fountains and small garden. All right. Many different souvenirs. Wow, it's a huge suitcase. Suitcase. I hear that they're playing some game.
Раз, два, три. Оп, 1-0. Раз, два, три.
What kind of game are they playing, by the way?
Раз, два, три. Раз, два, три. Раз, два, три.
Wait.
2-0.
Oh, they playing rock, paper, scissors. They're playing rock, paper, scissors, alright.
Приготовились.
But-
3-4. Раз, два, три.
What's the prize?
Уверенная победа. 3-0. Мы тебя поздравляем. Но тебе, дружище, тоже достаются наши подарки. Ответить.
There are roller coasters over there. Purple region. Everything is purple. And after that, after exploring Russian regions, we will go deeper down the street and see foreigner countries. And by the way, tomorrow I'm gonna have my first exam at uni, like the session is starting. And I'm not really prepared very well, so wish me luck. I don't know, I just need luck to pass that exam. And after that I'm gonna have 2 more exams and officially summer break. Have you already passed all your exams, guys? And I'm also thinking about going to watch World Cup games with my friends, and maybe I will also make a vlog as we watching World Cup. Especially when playoff starts. The main fountain is here. So, as we pass this fountain, right over there, behind the fountain, is going to be international area. I hear Latin music, bro. This is gonna be biggest party ever. Oh my god, let's go. Do you hear that music? As Latin America, I suppose. Let's go there. Man. That's crazy though. There is a party. Party gonna rock tonight. No, that's the Russian music. That's Russian. Hold on. Yeah, here is Venezuela. This is the main stage. We even have palm trees. Check it out. Palm trees. Venezuela. Let's explore Venezuela. And let's explore other cultures. There is China right here. China. So what's going on in Venezuela? If you're from Venezuela, let me know in the comments, bro. That's great. Photos. A stroller from Venezuela. And there are many other photos, like beaches. Oh man, I love these kind of beaches so much. They turn on music. This is a speaker. Waterfall, man, I love this nature. One day I wanna visit this kind of place. Here we can buy chocolates, Venezuela chocolates, coffee, right? Or some other drinks. Venezuela. Catalina. What's Catalina? Yeah, they are making coffee right there. Claro que sí. Muy bien. Muy bien. Cuba! Cuba, bro! This roof is made so like realistic, like in a real house. We have Cuba, a palm tree like in a Cuba. You can sit down here and chill a little bit. Kubanakan, Shri Lanka. You'll come back for more. That's the slogan of Sri Lanka. Let's see. Oh man, I love this nature of Sri Lanka. Deers, nice music. Even elephants, wow. Not real, obviously artificial, but elephants. The nature is just phenomenal. Oh my gosh. I want to travel there 100% one day. Yes, sir. 100%, man. Hello. Are you from Sri Lanka?
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Yes?
You are from Moscow?
Yeah, I'm from Russia.
Oh, fantastic.
And I'm a YouTuber. Like, I really love your country because the nature is so beautiful.
Have you visited?
No, never.
Would you like to?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
I would like to visit your country. Hey,
Let's
how you
see.
doing? How you doing?
Maybe
Cool.
we can do something together. Okay,
Like
so let me
people
tell you something about
watch
Sri
it.
Lanka.
Yeah,
Sri Lanka has
definitely.
over 2,500 year history, a recorded history. We have a recorded history of
1,000. Okay.
Yeah, we have a recorded history of about 2,200 years of our kings.
That's a long time.
That is a long time.
Yeah.
That was a
That
palace built
in the
on-
forest somewhere.
in the forest on a hill, and they took the water up to the hill.
Yeah.
They have ponds. You know, the engineering, the infrastructure. It was
That's actually insane.
So leopards, we have the biggest cat in Sri Lanka is the leopard.
Wow.
He
And
roams
they're just
freely.
walking around on the streets.
Not on the street,
No?
in the forest. Not on the street, in the forest. But in the forest, so you see, the leopard is leopard lives in Africa,
Yeah.
in India and Sri Lanka. In India, the leopard is hiding from the tiger, because if the tiger sees the
Okay.
leopard, the tiger kills the leopard.
Okay.
In Africa, the leopard is hiding from the cheetah and the lion, because if they cross paths, the leopard gets killed. But in Sri Lanka, there is nobody to challenge the leopard.
They're
He's
kings,
the biggest.
yeah?
He's the biggest guy.
Leopard
He's the
king.
top of the food chain.
Okay.
So he's roaming freely. You know, nobody is trying to bite the leopard. So he's very free in Sri Lanka.
So do you basically live in Sri Lanka? You just came here in Russia, or you based in Russia?
I'm based in Sri Lanka. I am here with my company. I'll show you.
So you're the head here, right?
I'm not the head here, but I'm representing one of the companies. That is my company.
We're traveling. We got some food right here.
The food is
We
all.
got it. Yeah, gonna get a food. Thank you, thank you. It's a nice place. It's a nice place, by the way.
It's beautiful. Ocean, beaches. You can do. You can hang out of the train like this way while you're
Yeah.
traveling.
Yeah, wow.
That's on the train. There's a tea
The
plantation.
train.
There's a train.
Okay.
She's hanging out of the train.
Can I do that actually? Oh, thank you so much.
You can do that.
Get napkins.
So there's tea plantations.
Tea, right?
Tea.
Tea. Yeah, spectacular. Spectacular, yeah. Right now, I've just got a really great big tour, like around of Sri Lanka. I tried their foods a little bit. Hospitable people. China is not working, but it's closed, yeah. I can see panda and some kind of temple. Uganda. Africa right here. Here we got Africa. It's like a giraffe and elephant. There was a map of Uganda. If you want to travel there. Really many people want to see. Whoa, okay, I explored actually a lot today. A lot of stuff. It feels great. So thank you so much. Love you all. If you want to find speaking partners and make more friends from all over the world, you can join my group chat on Telegram. It was created just let people who learn English talk, you know, because we all united around some idea of learning English, and we can just be friends. So join my group chat on Telegram. And yeah, guys, love you all. Thank you so much. See you. Take care.